So I didn't support her. I supported her. But the thing is, she should say me before leaving and everything. She's facing so and so. She didn't say me on the stage because this is, ma'am, to be very frank, I came very from low background, low background. I know the pain. How hard work I am doing now. Why, ma'am? I want to reach high.
You will, Yavar. With your kinds of efforts and your hard work, your dedication, you will. My only thing is, on your baggage it is not good for you also.
Ma'am, now also I didn't keep anything. Just I am saying is, Vishwa is doing a great job. Just support. Ante tappa hai. I didn't say anything wrong to her. I didn't say anything wrong to her.
Let's end this, guys. We love both of you all, and Nizanga, Yavar, don't take all this to heart. Yavar, leave it. Let's keep the atmosphere light.
మేము మాకు సెట్ లో ఏడుపులు మేము చూడదలుచుకోలేదు. ఇంకా మిస్అండర్స్టాండింగ్ క్లియర్ చేసుకోవాలో వద్దనేది ఇంకా వాళ్ళిద్దరు వదిలేద్దాం మనము. మాకు మాత్రం
పాప నాది పప్పు పెట్టుకో పాపకి
ప్లీజ్ టేక్ కేర్.
పప్పు పెట్టుకో